A very good evening, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, our today's drug of the day is sucralfate. Let's get started. Sucralfate, as you can see, it belongs to the class of drugs for peptic ulcer. Okay, so before going ahead, let's understand what is peptic ulcer. Ulcer तो हमें पता है क्या होता है. Peptic ulcer, the one which will occur in GIT. Correct? Okay. So sucralfate is a drug जो अल्सर प्रोटेक्टिव्स में आता है along with colloidal bismuth substrate. Okay, so it belongs to the subclass of ulcer protectives. Don't forget this. Let's come on to what is ulcer. So तीन तरह के अल्सर्स होते हैं, esophageal ulcer, duodenal ulcer और gastric या stomach ulcer. Okay, so समझते हैं पेप्टिक अल्सर होता क्यों है. So it is because of there is an imbalance in the aggressive and defensive system of your body. So now you will ask me what is aggressive and what is defensive system. तो aggressive system वो होते हैं जो acid secretions को बढ़ाएंगे, जैसे कि acid, pepsin, bile and H. pylori. Okay? Whereas defensive system वो होते हैं जो acid secretion को या तो कम करेंगे या तो म्यूकस सिक्रेशन बढ़ाएंगे, जैसे कि म्यूकस, बाइकार्बोनेट, प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन एंड नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड. तो जब अग्रेसिव सिस्टम और डिफेंसिव सिस्टम जो होता है उनमें इम्बैलेंस होता है, इट रिजल्ट्स इन अल्सर. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिओडेनल एंड गैस्ट्रिक अल्सर? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस. गैस्ट्रिक अल्सर में देयर इज deficient mucosal defense. What it is? Deficient mucosal defense. मतलब आपका जो डिफेंस सिस्टम है वो कम पड़ जाता है इसमें. मतलब आपका म्यूकस सिक्रेशन उतना नहीं हो पाता. आपका एसिड सिक्रेशन इज नॉर्मल या लो, बट द म्यूकस जो प्रोड्यूस होना चाहिए, जो आपका डिफेंसिव सिस्टम है, वो डेफिशिएंट हो जाता है इन गैस्ट्रिक अल्सर. Whereas in duodenal ulcer, you have an higher acid secretion. So duodenal ulcer is because of excess acid secretion and gastric ulcer is because of the deficient mucosal defense. I hope you got the difference. Let's go ahead. Peptic ulcer disease. यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. These are the ulcers. Again, duodenal and the stomach ulcers, gastric ulcers. यहाँ पे कुछ causes दिए हैं, NSAIDs and H. pylori. What are this? If you remember, हमने पढ़ा था कि प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन बिलोंग्स टू डिफेंसिव सिस्टम और हमें पता है NSAIDs they inhibit the prostaglandin release. So can I say that NSAIDs will ultimately aggravate peptic ulcer? Okay, so can I say that they are the one of the causes for peptic ulcer? Also, H. pylori are gram-negative bacteria which are also responsible for this disease. Okay, let's go ahead. So sucralfate, as you can see, it belongs to ulcer protectives. ये क्या करेगा? ये basically ये जो आपके अल्सर्स है ना, यहाँ पे एक पैच बना देगा. Wait, I'll show you. See, ये जो अल्सर्स हो गए ना, यहाँ पे एक ऐसा फिजिकल बैरियर बना देगा ये सुक्रालफेट, जो हमारा ड्रग है, द ड्रग ऑफ द डे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे ये बैरियर बना देगा. So this is how sucralfate is going to work. Okay, understood? Okay, fine. Sucralfate, it belongs to the class of ulcer protective. As we know, it is a basic aluminum salt of sulfated sucrose. This is a very important line. It is a basic aluminum salt of sulfated sucrose. Okay. Next, its mechanism of action. Its mechanism of action is very important. First line read करते हैं. It polymerizes at pH less than 4 by cross-linking of molecules and forms a sticky gel-like consistency. मतलब जब pH 4 से कम होगा, वो सुक्रालफेट वो पॉलीमराइज होगा, क्रॉस लिंक होगा और एक जेल बना देगा, स्टिकी जेल. और वो जो जेल है वो आपके अल्सर पे स्टिकली अध्यर चिपका रहेगा फॉर अप्रॉक्स 6 hours. ओके, मतलब कैन आई से दैट अगर मैं सुक्रालफेट के साथ एंटासिड्स दूं, तो उसका एक्शन मुझे नहीं मिलेगा, बिकॉज उसका एक्शन आई ओनली गेट व्हेन द pH इज लेस देन 4, करेक्ट? ओके फाइन। नेक्स्ट, जैसे मैंने बोला, इट एक्ट एज अ फिजिकल बैरियर प्रिवेंटिंग द एसिड पेप्सिन and the bile from coming in contact with the ulcer base. ओके, मतलब वो वहां पे अल्सर को कवर कर देगा, जिससे एसिड, पेप्सिन और बाइल, जैसे हमें पता है दिस बिलोंग्स टू अग्रेसिव सिस्टम, ये वो बेस के साथ कांटेक्ट में नहीं आ सकते, एंड दैट्स हाउ वो हील होगा अल्सर, करेक्ट? ओके, लेट्स गो फर्दर। एडीआर वेरी इजी, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, हाइपोफॉस्फेटेमिया एंड ड्राई माउथ। हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है कॉन्स्टिपेशन, डोंट फॉरगेट दिस। Sucralfate results in constipation. Next, it's used in bile reflux, gastritis, inflammation of your stomach, and prophylaxis of stress ulcers. Stress ulcers may be sucralfate is given. Okay, we have to remember this uses. Next, it promotes the healing of both duodenal and gastric ulcer. मतलब कोई भी एक तरह के अल्सर में यूज नहीं होता, ये दोनों अल्सर्स में यूज होता है. It heals both your ulcers. Got it? Okay. Also, very important point, it delays the gastric emptying. मतलब आपका जो gastric emptying है, जो food जो है आपका, उसका जो flow है from your stomach to intestine, small intestine, large intestine, that gastric emptying has been delayed by sucralfate. Understood? Okay. Next, drug-drug interactions कुछ है इसके, जैसे कि ये अब्सॉर्प्शन नहीं होने देता, किसका? टेट्रासाइक्लिन का, फ्लोरोक्विनोलोन्स का, सिमेटिडिन, फेनिटोइन, डिगॉक्सिन. ऑल दिस ड्रग्स का अब्सॉर्प्शन has been interfered by sucralfate. Okay. Next, antacids given along with it reduces the efficacy of sucralfate. ये हम लोग ने पॉइंट पहले डिस्कस किया था in the mechanism of action, where we had discussed कि at pH less than 4 it will polymerize and forms a gel. So अगर antacids देंगे तो उसका pH बढ़ा देंगे वो लोग, तो at high pH sucralfate is ineffective. Understood? Coming on to next, its structure. So this structure जो है आपको लगेगा that this is very difficult to remember, but no, we don't have to remember this entire structure, we just have to remember the ring. So it has this tetrahydropyran and tetrahydrofuran ring. कौन सी रिंग होती है इसमें? tetrahydropyran and tetrahydrofuran ring. ये जो है इस रिंग को बोलते हैं tetrahydropyran, and this ring is called as a tetrahydrofuran. So this is a pyran ring and this is a tetrahydrofuran ring. Got it? Okay. Next, coming on to, so if you are enjoying watching this video, then please do subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification on so that you get a daily update on all the videos been posted. Also, we have a WhatsApp group where we post daily MCQs. So if you want to join it, then please contact on the number given below. Let's continue further. So it's a brand name, it's Pepsi Guard Sucralfate Suspension. So don't forget this word Pepsi Guard. Okay. MCQs. JPAT 2019 question. Select the ulcer protective drug from the following. Okay. So इसमें से ulcer protective drug कौन सा है? That's been asked. Let's come on to the option. Metronidazole, misoprostol, oxyphenonium या sucralfate. क्या होगा? Ulcer protective. Very easy. Sucralfate. What is the answer? Sucralfate, right? So, बाकी क्यों नहीं? Metronidazole क्यों नहीं? Because we know that metronidazole is an anti-amoebic drug, correct? It's an anti-amoebic drug. Whereas misoprostol is a prostaglandin analog, जो anti-ulcer भी है. It will terminate the pregnancy and it will also treat the postpartum hemorrhage. Okay? So these all are the uses of misoprostol. Anti-ulcer, pregnancy termination, treating the postpartum hemorrhage. And oxyphenodium, it's an anticholinergic drug. So very, very basic question right from the classification and ulcer protective drug. JPAT 2019 question. Okay, let's go on to the next question. A patient is taking famotidine, sucralfate, and antacid tablets. This treatment is irrational because Okay, famotidine, okay. Sucralfate and antacid that we have already studied multiple times. There is some problem with it. What is the problem? Sucralfate decreases the absorption of famotidine. Sucralfate increases the toxicity of famotidine. Sucralfate decreases the absorption of antacids. Or sucralfate polymerizes only when gastric pH is less than 4. Here it is H. Okay. What is the option? What do you think? What should be the answer? We have already studied sucralfate and antacid. You cannot give it together. Why? Because sucralfate will only show its action. It will only polymerize when the pH is less than 4. Correct? So this treatment is irrational. The reason is what? Yes, this is the exact reason. Got the answer? Let's move on to the next question. The following appears to affect the integrity of the adherent gel or sucralfate, interfering with its action. So what is the question being asked? The following appears to affect the integrity of the gel of the sucralfate, interfering with its option. Let's see the options. Antacids, food, mucin, proteins and foodstuffs. एक ही तरह से एक ही टाइप का क्वेश्चन if you see, but they have asked through different ways. Just the one, the answer is same. You cannot give sucralfate with antacid, but the way to ask the question is changing if you see. Correct? कौन सा ऐसा है जो sucralfate के action के साथ interfere करेगा? This is what the question is. And what is the answer? Yes, it is antacids. Correct. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your time.